Hello everyone, welcome to Leggers Vlog YouTube, and now we're going to try for the first time the fresh pizza 24/7. So these are the steps. I have to choose. Number one, is it warm or cold? Number two, okay, number three is to pay, and number four is to be patient. You're going to wait. So we're going to start now. We're here in Quickborn, and this is Pizza di Mama. There's also a vending machine if you want some chocolates and drinks. Okay, now let's start. I have to press it here, and then 10 euros for salami chicken barbecue is 11.80. Spicy salami 11.30 euro. Kebab chicken is 11.80, and prosciutto, I don't know, mozzarella, yeah, it's 10.80. And the tono and special are not available. You can also choose the language that you want. Okay, there are three languages: French, English, and German. So we're going to choose English, and still the same, the price still the same. We're going to choose chicken barbecue or kebab chicken. It's just the same, so let's try the chicken barbecue. No, we're not going to order the cold product. So these are the ingredients: 14% breast fillet with olive oil, paprika, peppers, oregano, and mozzarella cheese, red onions as well. Okay, enjoy right away hot product. Add. So we've added one pizza door. Okay, and let's confirm, including the tax. One chicken barbecue hot, tomato sauce, red onions, peppers, oregano, olive oil, and paprika. Coupon loyalty program, we don't have it. We'll just buy once. Let's try this. With our loyalty program, for every 10 product, next one will be 50%. Not for free. Ignore. Okay, sorry. So choose a payment method. I'm going to choose the Bargill because I'm using my phone now. And I'm going to insert the cash. So here for the card, and then for the change, ticket, and for the coins, and also for the bills. Okay, so I have here 20 euros. Okay, but it's difficult to use only one hand. So here's the 20 euros. Gonna make it flat, so I folded it, and let's insert. Okay, I inserted it already, and your order has been confirmed. Your product is on its way. Would you like a receipt? Yes. Okay, your chicken barbecue is on its way, but I have changed. I must not forget it. Okay, 2 euros. Then there's another one here. 8, 12, 14, 15, 18, 20. Okay, correct. And now, final step is to be patient. Okay. Let's wait. That is the door. Let's just wait. How many minutes will it take? Let's try to maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. It says here 3 minutes, so until maybe 6 minutes. So let's just wait here. I don't want to buy something from here. I already have drinks, chocolates I also have, and I don't smoke. Oh, they also sell a lot here. Okay, all right, let's just wait. 24/7, amazing. So during Sunday, because everything is closed here in Germany, so this is like the what is that? The one who will save me from hunger. All right, it's now in the half. You can see the loading. It's loading. So let's just wait for another half. Oh, what is that? I hope that it's not inside. It's only outside. Okay. So that's it. Green light. We're going that way. We're going to buy something to the Lidl. Aldi is already closed, I think. Oh no, maybe it's open over there. Okay, we will go there. I think it's near. And it's still sunny, but it's not that cold anymore. So I have to remove my jacket later. Alright. And one of our friends let me borrow the bicycle, so I'm using it going to work. And I can smell now the pizza. It smells so good. Okay. Now it's green light. 6 minutes. For this vending machine, yeah, you can just choose the number and then pay by card or by cash. They accept Visa, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. Oh, it's almost 80%, 90. Yeah. So 10% more. And we can go to Aldi. There's an airplane going to Hamburg Airport. It's still empty. I can smell. It's really good. Okay. Your chicken barbecue is on its way. Tang, 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 tang. There's also CCTV, so it's protected, and solar light. Oh wow, the pizza is there. Yay! Please collect your product. Ooh, it's so high. It's so hot. Okay, so that's it. It's really hot. Okay. So that's how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching Leggers vlog. I'm excited to eat the pizza. And till next time, don't forget to like and share Leggers vlog YouTube. Goodbye.